Hello guys, this is Average Trader and welcome to week 20 of our trade logging series. This week we lost 3R and boy did it pain me to make these slides. But this just goes to show how transparent we are at Average Trader. This is a part of trading. There's going to be ups and there's going to be downs. The last 3 weeks for us were pretty rough, right? Just a quick reminder, if you want to see all of these trades happen live, be sure to check out our chat room. Link is in the description. We're the only chat room on the market that offers a profit promise guarantee. So if for any reason, any given month, our callouts do not make money, you don't pay us a single dime for that month, right? So let's get straight into the first trade of the week. The first trade of the week was Apple APPL 146.50 by 146, and we took this off of a 1 or 2 minute breakout or a 5 minute 3-bar play, right? Or a 4-bar play right here, right? We got triggered in off of this green topping tail right here. As you can see, the previous resistance was at 146.50. You could have made an argument to lower our stop to 145.90 ish, whatever, right? But if you look at this certain day, it actually plummeted below 145.50, so we would have gotten stopped out regardless, right? So it is what it is. Markets just took a turn for the worst. Next trade was a Meta, and we only got 1 R out of this thing. Look at how frustrating this is. Look at this huge bottoming tail, right? It was looking so good. We took this 110.20 by 109.80, a 3-bar play right here on the 1 minute, and it was going really, really great, right? Really nice pop. But unfortunately, this huge bottoming tail took us for 1 R. Next trade was Wynn, WYNN, 81.50 by 80.80, and we stopped out of this thing. Another breakout, another failed breakout. This after we got triggered in off of this green bar, huge bearish market came in and dragged us down with it, right? All the way down to our stop, which was 80.80, which was the low point right over here. There's not much we can do in markets like this, right? Look at this 2 minute topping tail that this 1 minute formed, right? Just completely engulfing after this green bar. Not really much we can do about it. Like I said, it was a very, very rough week. Next trade we took was Nvidia 158 by 159. I'm sorry for the typo, it says 58 by 59, but it's 158 by 159, and we got tagged at break even on this thing. And as you can see, we took this off of a a pattern recognition, right? It was a bit risky, right? We took this off of this topping tail right here. We took it at 158 because, as you can see, it bounced 2 times previously at 158, and it bounced the 3rd time, right? We went half of an hour almost, right? Before this green bar put in a higher high, which is a bullish sign, right? Which made us move our stop loss to break even, and it tagged us there, unfortunately. Nothing much we can do about it. It just seemed like this whole week the markets were just listening into the chat room and screwing us over. But this is all, once again, part of trading, right? If you can't handle the lows, then you should not be a trader. Next trade we took was Wynn, 81.50 by 81, and we got stopped out of this thing. We took this off of a 1 minute buy setup, right? As you can see, the buy setup triggers at 81.50 by, and the low, the previous low was 81. And so after this topping tail, once again, triggers us in, comes straight, market comes straight down, Wynn comes straight down and stops us out. I can count so many times where this week we got triggered in off of a topping tail and immediately stops us out. And it's the unfortunate part of trading, right? This type of thing will happen, and it will happen a lot throughout your trading career. But because of our money management rules, right, we're not too bad, right? Only -3R this week. And next trade we took was Apple 142.20 by 141.60, and we got stopped out of this thing. Once again, 142.20 over here on the trying to see if Apple's trend continues, because right here it puts a higher low, another higher low, and triggers us in off this topping tail, and in the same bar stops us straight out, right? One of the more aggressive patterns I've taken this week, actually. But once you're like 2-3R down, right, you start grasping at straws to trying to find a good trade here. But regardless, it was an aggressive trade, but there was a bullish pattern here, and you know, not much we could have done. And that's all the trades we took this week. Once again, it was a very, very rough week. It's been a very rough 2-3 weeks, right? But if you count how many R's were lost within the past 3 weeks that were choppy for us, right? You know, it's not that much, right? And it's all due to our money management rules, right, that we set for ourselves. Once again, if you do want to see these trades live, head on over to averagetrader.live and join our chat room. You get a 3-day trial for $1, or join our Discord to ask me any questions or comments you might have, right? I'm pretty active on there. Otherwise, I will see you guys next week for the continuation of our trade logging series. Have a nice weekend, guys. Bye-bye.